Getting clients from YouTube for your agency isn't as complicated as most make it out to be. In fact, after helping several agencies build out their YouTube channels, I can tell you there's just 4 key elements you need to get right. The problem is that most agencies are doing YouTube completely wrong. They're either creating content that doesn't convert, inconsistently posting videos that go nowhere, or worse, not leveraging YouTube at all and missing out on dozens of high-ticket clients every single month. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get clients from YouTube for your agency. I'll walk you through our exact process we use with our clients where we've helped them generate anywhere from 10 to 50k per month consistently from YouTube. So let's get into it. So here's the first thing you need to understand. YouTube isn't just another marketing channel like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. It's more of a relationship building platform, and that's what most people get wrong. They treat YouTube more like a billboard trying to show everything that they do, but it's more like a consultation room where you're speaking with your ideal clients trying to gain their trust. And let me show you what I mean. So when I first started on YouTube posting videos for my clients, I basically made the same mistakes everyone else makes. I created generic how-to content chasing views and subscribers. I was making videos like top 5 marketing strategies and how to set up your Facebook ads, the typical SMMA videos. So whilst these videos did get views, some even got like 50,000 views, it didn't actually bring any results for my clients. They weren't actually getting leads, going through to their website or going through a Google form sheet and actually typing in the information to buy my client's services. And that was the main problem. And this is because I was attracting do-it-yourself business owners and tire kickers who wanted free information, not actual business owners who were looking to invest in solutions to help improve their business. But everything changed when I shifted my approach to what I call the client-first content framework. So instead of trying to reach everyone with generic how-to videos, making videos that could appeal to literally anyone, I started creating content specifically for business owners who are ready to invest in their growth. Not people who are just starting now, so I wasn't creating basic tutorials about Facebook ads. I was actually creating in-depth content about Facebook ads that only business people who already were on Facebook ads or potentially were serious about starting Facebook ads would actually entertain those videos. So here's what this basically looks like in practice to give you some examples. So as I said, instead of making generic marketing tips videos, I started addressing specific pain points my clients' ideal clients face. So for example, you don't really want to make a video about how to write LinkedIn posts because that could literally attract anyone. People who are trying to go to university, people who are looking for jobs, anyone would click on that video. So instead you want to create a video about this LinkedIn post strategy made me 30k in 30 days. And the reason you want to do this is because this is only going to attract business owners. So whilst the views are going to be lower, the quality of viewers is much better. So that's basically the fundamental shift in mindset you need to make when you're trying to post content on YouTube to get more leads. YouTube isn't really about creating content that gets the most views if you are looking to scale your business through YouTube. It's more about creating content that attracts and converts your ideal clients. And when you make this shift in mindset, everything else will fall into place. So moving on to how to actually find these YouTube video ideas, here's what most people do. They look at what's trending, what gets views, and try to copy that. They'll see someone making top 10 marketing tips videos get 100k views and think I need to do that too. But that's exactly what you shouldn't do. Instead, I use what I call the problem solution authority method for choosing topics. And let me break this down with real examples I've used for my clients. So first is obviously the problem, and this is what's keeping your ideal client up at night. And you can't really just think about service level problems like need more leads. You really need to dig deeper into the emotional pain points. So fear of the business failing, frustration with inconsistent client flow, and anxiety about scaling the team. Obviously there's more than this, but this is just to give you some examples. And then number 2 is solution. So what unique approach do you have? And you need to focus on your specific methodology, if that's like your proven process, your unique framework, or results you've achieved. And then number 3 is how you can demonstrate expertise. So you basically want to share actual case studies, reference specific numbers and results, and also include insights that only someone with real experience would know. And to give you an idea of how I would do this, so instead of making a video called 5 ways to get more SEO traffic, I would make one called 5 SEO tweaks that generated 50,000 for a client in 7 days. And the reason I would do this is this title speaks directly to a specific pain point, hints at a solution, and positions you as someone who really understands the problem. And when a business owner struggling with these exact issues sees these titles, they're much more likely to click and engage with your content compared to something generic like 5 ways to get more SEO traffic. And the best part of doing this is once they do engage with your content, they're not coming to you as someone looking for free tips. They're coming to you as someone who needs help solving a specific problem that's costing them money right now. So now let's talk about how to actually create videos that convert. And after testing hundreds of different video formats, I basically come to one solution that's been working for me consistently. And every video needs to follow these 4 key elements, and I'll show you exactly how I structure each one. So first, start with a specific problem your ideal client faces, but you don't want to give something generic or like basic level information. You really want to dig deep. So instead of saying something like you need more leads, you might say something like you're stuck in a feast or famine cycle where 1 month you're overwhelmed with clients and the next you're desperately searching for your next project. This inconsistency is killing your ability to scale and keeping you trapped in day-to-day operations. Now obviously this is going to differ in what niche you're in, what type of people you're targeting, how you want your brand to look like. Obviously this is going to be different for everybody, but just to give you an example, this is what you could say. Now next is authority building, and this is where you basically want to show why common solutions fail. And most people get this wrong because they jump straight to their solution instead of stating why some other solutions might not work. And if you don't do this, some people might think that 1, your solution doesn't work, and 2, there's other better ways to do this. But if you state that other solutions don't work, they're much more likely to stick around because they'll actually believe that your solution is of value and much better than everyone else's. So for example, you could say why referrals aren't scalable, why cold outreach is becoming less effective, why generic marketing advice fails. And then you obviously want to transition into what actually works, which is your approach. Now, number 3 is case demonstration. So this is where you demonstrate your knowledge through real results. And you don't really just want to throw random numbers around because that might confuse your viewers. You can structure it like this. So state where the client started, the specific challenge they faced, how your solution helped, and specific results with actual numbers. So for example, we had a client who was stuck at 15k a month for 2 years. Using this exact framework, they hit 50k per month within 90 days. And then lastly is the engagement bridge. So lastly, what you want to do is create a clear path to working with you. You don't really just want to say at the end of the video, click the first link in the description to book a call, because chances are that's just not going to work. No one's going to click on that link and book a call with you. Instead, create what I call the value bridge, and I'll talk about this in more detail later in this video. But the key to doing all this is to weave all 4 elements together naturally. So the first 2 are problem amplification and authority building, and those 2 you want to include near the start of the video to make sure viewers will actually stick around till the end and actually believe that your solution works. With case demonstration, which is the third one, you don't really need to do this near the start. You can do this somewhere near the middle of the video. For this one, it doesn't really matter where you put it in the video. This just makes sure that viewers see you as someone who can actually help them. And then obviously engagement bridge is going to be the last one, which will end as your CTA. So the 4th element I talked about in the intro is the types of videos you need to create. And this is where everything comes together, which I've said in this video. A lot of people think you just need to post videos and these will magically appear, but that's really not how it works. You need 3 specific content types working together in what I call the content ecosystem. So first is authority content. These are basically long form videos that showcase your expertise. Normally these types of videos are 15 to 20 minutes in length because they actually deep dive into specific problems. So to give you some example topic, why your cold emails are being ignored, the fatal flaw in most email marketing campaigns that's killing your ROI, the real reason your Google ads are wasting money. And these videos position you as an expert and build trust. And the second type of content you want to be making is case study content. And this is basically showing real results and client transformations. And this is basically your proof element. So you basically want to structure your videos like these. So first you want to start off with the client starting point. For example, you could show their struggling campaigns, and then you want to talk about the specific challenges they face with each channel. Next you want to talk about your unique approach to fixing their campaigns, and then lastly just go over the results, so open rates, conversion rates, and ROAS. Another way to do case study content is you can also do client interviews or testimonials. Obviously client interviews are going to work much better, but if you don't have access to client interviews, you could also do testimonials, but just keep in mind that client interviews are going to work much better for your YouTube channel. And if you don't know what client interviews are, they're basically where you hop in person or through like a Zoom call. I would recommend doing it through Riverside FM because they have much higher quality. And you basically just have a one-to-one conversation with your client where you talk about their starting point, their problems they were facing, their specific challenges, how you helped them, and ultimately how you benefited their business. And the last type of content you want to make is process content. And this is more of like the behind the scenes of how you help your clients. And it basically shows how it's like working with you. So to give you some examples, you could show how you audit their campaigns, your process for crafting cold email sequences, real-time Google Ads optimization, and email automation setup and results. And these videos basically remove any uncertainty about working with you because the client gets to see a glimpse of your full process behind doing stuff, and it reassures them that you actually know what you're doing and it can help their business. So that's basically the 3 types of content you need to make. But here's the secret most people miss. You need a clear system to convert viewers into leads once they're watching and engaging with your content. And I'll show you exactly how I do this, and this is basically the value bridge method I talked about earlier. So the value bridge is something that connects with the content they just watched to the next step of working with you. So as I said earlier, dropping a link in the description isn't going to work. So first, what you want to do is remind them of the specific problem you just solved, give them an idea of your complete solution, and offer a clear next step that they can take. So for example, at the end of the video, you could say something like, now you understand why most cold email campaigns fail to generate responses. What I've shared today is just one piece of a complete outreach system. If you want to see the exact templates and sequences we use with our clients to help them achieve 45% open rates and 15% response rates, click the link in the description to get our high convert email templates. And obviously this is a random example, but this is just to give you an idea of what you could say. And doing this converts passive viewers into active leads because it creates a natural progression from free content to paid solutions. Now, obviously you can charge for these high converting email templates, or you could do it as an opt-in where you then get them into your newsletter and over a long period of time you nurture them. But yeah, that's essentially the value bridge method. So that's exactly how to get clients from YouTube for your agency in 2024. As you can see, it's not about having fancy editing or having the perfect camera setup. It's about creating content that actually converts viewers into leads and clients. But obviously this takes time to implement properly. You need to create videos consistently, manage editors, manage thumbnail designers, write your scripts, and basically manage everything day to day. So if you're running an agency above 20k a month and want us to handle all of this for you, where we create content that brings you an additional 10 to 50k per month guaranteed, then click the first link in the description to see if you qualify for a free YouTube video from us. This will include the ideation, scripting, editing, thumbnail, SEO and posting. All you'll need to do is record. So once again, click the first link in the description to see if you qualify, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.